I welcome you all in the lecture 5th of this unit called as chemical reaction and equation. And our 5th lecture is what do we mean by the term, or what do we mean by the chemical equation. Very important topic of this unit. We simply define, so far we have read that what is a chemical reaction and what are the characteristics of chemical reaction. Now, as we know what is a chemical reaction, we are supposed to study in detail what is chemical equation. We simply write the method of representing a chemical reaction with the help of symbols and formulas of the substance involved in it is known as chemical equation. That means whenever a chemical reaction takes place, there is the reactant side and there is the product side. And few of the substance involved in the chemical reaction in reactant side gets converted into product side. So we represent those reactant side as well as those product side, whatever we are getting and whatever we are giving by the help of symbols and formulas. When we represent a chemical reaction with the help of symbols and formulas of the substance involved in it, it is known as chemical equation. So method of representing a chemical reaction with the help of symbols and formulas of the substances involved in it is known as chemical equation. Now let us try to understand this by an example. We know that zinc metal reacts with dilute sulfuric acid to form zinc sulfate and hydrogen gas. When we write this in terms of words, that is zinc plus sulfuric acid gives zinc sulfate plus hydrogen. This we have written ZnC zinc plus sulfuric acid plus, this is called as word equation. It's called as word. So we have reduced the sentence into word equation. Now when we use the symbols and formulas instead of zinc, sulfuric acid, zinc sulfate and hydrogen, we write it as, for zinc symbol is Zn, for sulfuric acid its formula is H2SO4, for zinc sulfate it is ZnSO4, and for hydrogen it is H2. So we simply write Zn plus H2SO4 gives ZnSO4 plus H2. This is the reactant side and this is the product side. This form or this way of representing the above chemical reaction is what we call as chemical equation, and this represents the chemical equation of zinc reacting with sulfuric acid to form zinc sulfate and hydrogen. Here zinc and sulfuric acid are the reactants in the reactant side and zinc sulfate and hydrogen gas are in the product side. Thank you.